We are covering a critical tool for the FE exam, your NCEES-Approved calculator. This isn't just about administrative rules. Mastering your calculator is a core part of your timing and accuracy strategy. The NCEES calculator policy is strict to ensure fairness. For the 2026 exams, only specific models are allowed. Casio models with fx-115 or fx-991 in their name, the HP35S and HP33s, and Texas Instruments models with TI-30X or TI-36X in their name. Calculators with wireless communication or extensive programming capabilities, like the popular TI-89, are strictly banned. Showing up with a non-approved model means you will not be allowed to use it, and you may be dismissed from the exam. The most popular and arguably most powerful choices for the FE exam are the TI-36X Pro and the Casio fx-115 ES Plus. These calculators are your key to solving complex problems efficiently. For instance, in an electrical engineering AC circuit analysis problem, you will encounter complex numbers. Manually adding, subtracting, and converting between polar and rectangular forms is slow and prone to error. The TI-36X Pro and Casio fx-115 can perform these operations in seconds, saving you critical time. Similarly, a civil engineering statics problem might generate a 3x3 system of linear equations. Solving this by hand using substitution or Cramer's rule could take several minutes. With the matrix or equation solver function on these calculators, you can input the coefficients and get the answer in under a minute. These functions, solving systems of equations, matrix operations, numerical integration, and complex number calculations, are not just conveniences. They are essential for finishing the exam on time. The HP35S is another powerful approved option, but it's known for its reverse Polish notation, or RPN, entry system. While some experienced engineers find RPN faster for chained calculations, it has a significant learning curve. If you are not already proficient with RPN, it is wise to stick with the more intuitive algebraic entry of the TI or Casio models. The biggest exam trap related to your calculator is the angle mode setting. NCEES problems will mix degrees and radians, and it's your responsibility to ensure your calculator is in the correct mode for each question. A single mistake here, like calculating the sine of 30 degrees while in radian mode, will produce a completely wrong answer that often matches one of the incorrect answer choices. Another common mistake is not bringing spare batteries or a backup approved calculator. An equipment failure mid-exam can be disastrous. To avoid these pitfalls, use this memorable shortcut. Always check your M.O.D.E before a calculation. M is for model. Is it NCEES approved? O is for operation. Do you know the specific function you need? D is for degrees or radians. Is it in the correct mode? And E is for energy. Are your batteries fresh? Consistently checking your M.O.D.E will prevent the most common calculator-related errors and build confidence for exam day. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.